Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today's Tuesday, April 1st, April Fool's Day, but there's no fooling here today. The market is marching on. So, what do we got today? A whole ton of European numbers about manufacturing PMI and services PMI. At 9 o'clock, we have FOMC member Barkin speaking. 9:30, nothing for the U.S., but manufacturing PMI for Canada. 9:45, we have final manufacturing PMI for the U.S. 10 a.m., we've got some red numbers. ISM manufacturing PMI and the JOLTS job openings. Big number. Also, ISM manufacturing prices and construction spending month over month. Tentatively, we've got the TIP economic optimism and the Ward's total vehicle sales coming out after that during the day, and that's about it. So it'll be interesting to see what happens with the JOLTS job openings and the ISM manufacturing PMI are going to be as purchasing managers index. So we'll be able to see what's going on as we start to see earnings, and we are getting ready on the eve of the big tariff implementation. So there you have it. Let's take a look at charts. So yesterday we had a relief rally. That's what I'm going to call that. It's a bounce off the double bottom, still well below the moving averages in a intermediate downtrend. We are gapping down slightly today. Volume yesterday was actually of interest. It was still surprising you have that big of a day up after this big run down, and the volume is better than average, but that's about all we can say about it. I'd really like to see stronger volume coming in to show that we have a bottom. That's just not happening. Inventory. So inventory was positive yesterday on positive price action, and that would be a normal. But look here, it's only 8,200 contracts. Not a lot. You'd expect a big move like that to be in the 20,000s, but not so. Kind of an anemic move to the upside. It kind of more felt like a short covering than anything else. Moving on, looking at the overnight action, approximately 45 points, more than average. Average is 22.25. Where do we have overhead resistance? We've got overhead resistance around 56.80, 56.90-ish, 5700, 5710. If we get rolling up above that, there's a big old band of stuff between 57.25 and 57.40 that'll kind of be a big kind of impediment to getting up farther. On the downside, where do we have support? 56.10, 5600, of course. There's some confluence around 55.94, more confluence around 55.75, and 50, I'm going to call that 55.50-ish area. Below that, it gets ugly. And then again, below that, you have another band down here, 55.20-ish. That's kind of like that band higher up here, where you have kind of a, if it breaks this area, it's really going to hurt us. And if it breaks this area to upside, we're definitely going up. So becoming more banded as we speak. That being said, Stock Traders Almanac is 71.4% chance the market will be up. It's a very positive, by 21.4% chance above your 50%. So very strong probability market will be up today based on the historics of the Stock Traders Almanac. That's all I've got for you today. Hope you have a great day. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.